It is now my pleasure to introduce the student speaker for this ceremony, Ishita Talreja. Ishita has graduated with a Master of Business and Management. Originally from Agra, India, she was awarded the Vice-Chancellor's International Excellence Scholarship for India before embarking on her master's journey. Far from home, she has embraced the challenges and opportunities that come with studying abroad. This experience has allowed her to develop not just academically, but holistically, transforming her into a more confident and capable individual. The Master of Business and Management has been instrumental in this transformation, equipping her with the knowledge and skills to thrive in the business world. Ishita describes this experience as the one that has made her a better version of herself in all aspects of life. Looking ahead, she aspires to gain hands-on industry experience and understand the dynamics of the business landscape. While entrepreneurship is a long-term ambition, her immediate focus is on learning, growing, and contributing meaningfully to the professional world. Would you please welcome to the podium to give the student address, Ishita Talreja.
Good morning, esteemed faculty, honored guests, families, and my fellow graduates. Before I begin, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Chancellor, Sir Anand Satyanand, and Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Alistair Jones, for giving me this incredible opportunity to speak on behalf of the graduating class. It's truly an honor to stand here today representing such a talented and resilient group of individuals. I come from Agra, India, and growing up in a close-knit family was where my foundation was built. My father, a passionate entrepreneur in the shoe manufacturing business, was my earliest inspiration, showing me what hard work, resilience, and vision could achieve. But it's not just about business. It's the values of kindness, perseverance, and belief in others that my parents instilled in me, which have shaped me into who I am today. Deciding to move to New Zealand to pursue a Master of Business and Management was a life-changing decision. Leaving behind the comfort of home and the constant presence of my loved ones wasn't easy. My family's unwavering encouragement, even from afar, gave me the courage to take that leap. They believed in me during moments when I doubted myself. Without their support, I wouldn't be here today. This journey has been transformative. Waikato gave me more than just academic learning. It gave me a community. I have grown holistically, not only as a student, but as a person. The challenges we faced taught me resilience, adaptability, and the power of collaboration. I'm also incredibly thankful to the amazing faculty. Thank you for equipping us with the skills and confidence to tackle real-world problems. To my friends here, who became family, thank you for your companionship, laughter, and support. As I look to the future, I'm eager to step into the industry, gain hands-on experience, and immerse myself in the professional world. While entrepreneurship remains a long-term goal, this next phase is all about learning, growing, and making meaningful contributions. To my fellow graduates, let's take a moment to thank those who stood by us, our families, our friends, and the mentors who guided us. Their belief in us has brought us to this milestone. The road ahead may not always be smooth, but if there's one thing that I've learned in the past year, is that we are stronger and more capable than we often realize. Let's carry forward the lessons of determination, curiosity, and gratitude that this journey has taught us. Congratulations, everyone. Let's make the world a better place in our own unique ways. Thank you.